everyone, and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Amoy Harriet, filling in for Dadrian Gordon. Kingston came alive over the weekend as a two-star-studded event went head-to-head for music lovers. To start, the Isle of Souls headlined by Christopher Martin was nothing short of perfect for lovers. The gold-selling artist took fans down memory lane with some of his earlier tracks and commanded the attention of the crowd as he sprinkled his performance with acts like Remain Virgo, Ghost, and the top General Bounty Killer. Martin, who is in birthday mode, told E-Prime he was humbled by the support from both fans and the industry.
I'm in the business for almost 2 decades. You see me? Yeah, and see the love, I can't pay for that, you know. You understand me? I say so. I'm very humbled, I'm very happy, and I'm overjoyed. The appreciation is real, you see me? Enough respect, man. Isle of Souls also saw Tess and Chin returning to stage for the first time in years. The US Voice winner spoke to E-Prime on being anxious on her debut.
I mean, it's been a while since I've started to get back into being on stage again and stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, it's like riding a bike, but a really scary big bike. But it was wonderful. They're a very warm crowd, and it was lovely to perform in Kingston.
Now the General Bounty Killer basked as he cheered on his music career spanning from the early 1990s to present day.
I'm just grateful to know that the music transcends, you know, and that's why I always try to sing real things and things that relatable and things that make sense. So at least my generation and other generation could come.
Bounty was also very delighted in dancehall being spotlighted in the Reggae Month.
Reggae is the backbone of Jamaica, but we have transition, we have rubber dub, we have dancehall, and now they have trap all, and so I think all of the music should be celebrated.
And still on the weekend, international R&B singer Freddie Jackson left his mark at Love in the Garden as organizers rolled out the red carpet for family, friends, and couples at Hope Gardens. The international star was also accompanied by Elaine and Sanchez with a guest performance from Beanie Man. Here are the sights and sounds.
Hey girl, long time waiting. Do you have a little time to spend with me? This is no ordinary love. The whole town's talking about her. It's feeling a little getting tired. She's got a property.
E-Prime also caught up with Elaine, who revealed that a new project is in the making.
We're working on that this year. If not an album, an EP, but that's later on in the year. I have a new song with DJ Chrome coming out, so we're shooting a video for that in a couple of weeks. So there's just a lot going on, and I'm just so grateful because of your blessings.
And that's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Amoy Harriet. Have a good holiday tomorrow and keep safe.